Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something special in store. A deep dive into the top 5 dehumidifiers of 2023 that you can find on Amazon. If humidity has been giving you a hard time, you know how essential a reliable dehumidifier can be. We've scoured the options, read through user reviews, and scrutinized features to bring you this detailed rundown. Stick around to uncover the ultimate solutions for your humidity woes, and keep watching to find out which dehumidifier can double as romantic lighting. And if you're serious about finding the best household tech on Amazon, hit the subscribe button for more honest, in-depth reviews. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the ProBreeze 20L dehumidifier. This unit has garnered attention for its efficiency and powerful moisture extraction capabilities. It's built to handle medium-sized spaces with ease and offers continuous drainage for hassle-free operation. If you don't want to use the included continuous drain hose, the massive tank can hold up to 5.5 liters before it needs to be emptied. Users appreciate its user-friendly digital interface and reasonable price point. If you have curious children around, you'll also appreciate the child lock settings. The ProBreeze 20L electric dehumidifier has one-touch controls and an LED digital display for setting fan speed and desired humidity between 30–80%. The smart automatic humidity sensor with indicator lights allows you to track room humidity and will switch the dehumidifier off once target humidity is reached. While some reviews highlight its solid performance, others mention concerns about noise levels and a poorly written user manual, so that's something to keep in mind. Sliding into number 4, we've got the Dehumidifier portable dehumidifier. This compact option is perfect for smaller basements and comes with a detachable 700ml water tank for easy maintenance. It has an auto shut-off function, so it will stop when it's full, and it has the lowest power consumption of all the dehumidifiers on our list at 23 watts. Its portability makes it a versatile choice for those hard-to-reach areas. It's obviously a lot lighter than the other models we're covering today, but it might not be the best fit for larger areas. The affordable price tag and positive user reviews make it an attractive option for those on a budget, needing a lighter unit, or those wanting to dry out smaller spaces. Stepping into the third spot, we present the Ayusivo high-capacity dehumidifier. This one boasts an impressive moisture removal rate, making it suitable for larger basements or living rooms, or those times you need to dry things up fast. The 2.5-litre tank means it holds plenty of water before the auto shut-off kicks in, and there are 2 modes so you can switch it to quiet operation at night. Users have praised its durability and efficiency in tackling stubborn humidity issues. The price point is moderate, and the unit's advanced features like auto humidistat control add some nice extras to the package. And folks love its rainbow-colored ambient lights. This was the only model on our list that features this fun little touch. Coming in at number 2 is the 20L Humsor dehumidifier. This portable unit has gained popularity for its ease of use and efficiency. Its larger design makes it ideal for damp basements, larger spaces and attics. The 2.8-litre tank means less time emptying the water out if you choose not to use the 3.8-foot drainage hose, and the auto humidity function means that the unit will automatically sense the humidity in the room and switch off and on to keep the environment stable. Users have shared positive feedback on its reliability and performance and its ability to dry clothes. The price is reasonable, making it an attractive option for those seeking an efficient solution without breaking the bank. Drumroll please for our top pick, the Avala X200 dehumidifier. This advanced unit has stolen the spotlight for its aerodynamic technology that enhances moisture removal efficiency. Built to handle larger spaces, it's equipped with a massive 5.5-litre tank plus an extra long 2-meter drainage hose. We love this dehumidifier for its smart features like humidistat and the easy-to-use control panel, but it takes the crown for its 2-year warranty, eco-credentials like using renewable energy in their factories, and the fact that the company plant a tree for every unit ordered. While it's on the higher end in terms of pricing, its innovative technology and performance make it a standout choice for serious humidity control, easy-to-use features, and helping the planet along the way. There you have it, our top 5 dehumidifiers of 2023 available on Amazon. We've linked to all the products mentioned in the description. Check out our other reviews of products designed to make your home warm, safe, and dry. Until next time, happy shopping.